Everybody, today in our YouTube video we're going to be showing you how to fix your blades, known as your propellers, or in the manual they call them blades. They come in set of 4s. Usually when your drone is not working, it flies crazy, it goes backwards or forward. Even if you try calibrating it, it won't even fly right. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that without calibrating. So what you gotta do is take out your propellers. These are already used. We already used them a lot, as you can tell it. They're all beat up, but they're still good. All you gotta do is grab one, and then what you gotta do is make sure they're straight and just twist it. Twist it like that. Bam. Alright, grab the other one, and you do that. They gotta be like this. Perfect. As you can see this one, they're all straight. Starting to look like that again, right? Just gotta work on this side a little bit more. So what you gotta do is just turn it like that. Hold it like for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Twist it again. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Bam. Can you see that? The blade is working. Starting to look like a propeller. Let's look at another one over here. This one looks alright, but just for one little sucker like this can make your drone go crazy, make it go backwards, forward. All you gotta do is just take it off. I got a pair of tools here that I use to take out the blades. Really easy. You grab one of these. Hold it right there. Just give it a good pull. That's all you gotta do. So yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment.